Hey friends, this is Eugen from workspace Supply, and today I'm super excited to finally get to share my new desk setup with you. If you've been following our switching from Mac to PC video series, then you know over the last few months I've been rebuilding my station from the ground up. If you haven't seen that yet, make sure you check out the playlist right here. Now, I used to use an iMac, and when moving to PC, that means I have to get all new components. So today's video, I'm going to take you through them and show you just how much has changed from our last desk tour, which you can check out right here. Now you're going to want to subscribe, as for the first time ever, we'll also be doing Becca's first desk tour in a few videos. So hit that subscribe button and come along for the ride. Here's my new workspace. So I do a lot of different creative work on any given day, from spending hours in Premiere and Photoshop to publishing content and putting together treatments. The thing that spurred this whole desk revamp was switching from Mac to PC for creating work and building a new computer. Because I was on an iMac before, it basically meant I needed a full new setup top to bottom, so let's start with the actual PC. I really love this case by Fractal Design. It has sound padding, so it's super quiet and unassuming while still having easy access to all the right ports on top. If you want to learn more about this PC, you should definitely check out our PC build video. Now the next thing up is my headphones. These are my main headphones for video editing, and they're the super popular Sony MDR7506. They're super comfy for long sessions, sound great, and aren't very expensive. For the keyboard and mouse, I really went back and forth for a long time and then finally settled on the MX Master 2S mouse and the K780 keyboard. I actually really enjoy using both of these, and the keyboard has this built-in lip for holding your phone or tablet. At first, I thought this was a little bit of a gimmick, but it's actually one of my favorite features. One of the biggest changes is the monitor. I really want to try using an ultra-wide display. So this is the Dell U3419W. It's a 34-inch display, and I've been really enjoying using it. But even with all the real estate, I gotta say, I still sometimes wish I had a second monitor to isolate a window on the side. Let me know if you'd be interested in a video comparing an ultra-wide setup to a dual screen setup for creative work. Next is the webcam. With all the video calls these days, I needed a webcam, but I just picked this one up, so I haven't used it a lot and I hesitate to recommend it. If you have a webcam that you love, I'd love to know. Now, one of my favorite additions is the speakers. These are the A2 Plus speakers from Audio Engine. I really enjoy listening to these, and I love how they look on my desk. Plus, I got a pair of Kanto S2 desktop speaker stands, which reduce vibration and give them a bit of an angle. You won't be disappointed with these. A couple small items I have are a wireless charger, a USB-C card reader, and a box of Lego that I break out during long render sessions. Up against the wall is my Wacom tablet, and this is one of my critical tools. If you don't use a tablet for Photoshop, you're really missing out and slowing down your workflow. Now above my desk, I have a bunch of things that inspire me, such as art, worker prints, and some little things creatives have sent us. I also recently got this awesome patch commemorating the first lunar landing during a trip to the Kennedy Space Center, which is super inspiring to look at when you're feeling a bit down. And finally, one of the other big additions to our studio is the Synology server. We went for the DS1618 Plus. We use a ton of data, so we were long overdue for our own server, so that we're not constantly having to buy external drives for backups. So there you have it. That's my new creative workspace. What did you think? If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comments below. I'll make sure to answer them. We also linked to all the products we mentioned in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit subscribe, as Becca's desk tour is coming up soon. And if you enjoyed this video, you're bound to enjoy that one as well. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure sharing my new workspace with you, and I'll see you next week.